problem number 2. Just want to give you guys. So I called my guy that does my termite, my pest control guy, and he's saying that the women are throwing the men out of the ant hive, so it could just be ants. So today is windows and tithing wrap. That's what we're doing today. I woke up late today. I was supposed to meet the HVAC guy here at 8. I thought I said 8:30. So he was here. So we just try and get as many quotes as we can on the HVAC. It's a pretty simple job. We just need for them to change out the condenser and the coil. I mean, pick it up, put it in, ba-da-ba-da-ba. So, yeah, easy day today.
This is a complete gut job?
Yeah, listen. There's not too many people that could deliver a pizza in a fucking BMW. He doesn't want to be in it. Come on, get in this. Who are you, sir?
Since it's him, he gets the delivery in the BMW. Only him, though. Yeah, it's a must. We're in the neighborhood, right? And who else is Nipsey?
It's neighborhood, right? Windows, they're just dropping right in. This is gonna be, these windows are great. Once you get the spray foam in, once we spray foam the interior and get it insulated really, really well, your heating and your AC bill is gonna be extremely low. We're really, really hoping to eliminate your AC and heating bill. That's our main goal. If I can achieve that goal, I'll be so happy. You know, I want you to come in and just be able just to enjoy the house without having to pay extra money on your heating cost and AC costs. Because the condenser we're getting is going to be really small, really energy efficient. Because if it's insulated good and if it stays cool, I want in the middle of the summer for you to be in this house with a winter hat on and a Canadian Goose jacket. Perfect fit.